How to fix iPhone stuck on white screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and force restart your iPhone as this is the most effective fix. So press and hold the volume up button and then press and hold the volume down button and quickly release them. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, release the buttons, and with this, your iPhone will take a force restart. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then you can try to connect your iPhone to a charger and let it charge for 20 to 30 minutes and then force restart again. And sometimes the device appears stuck due to hardware damage, so you can go ahead and check for cracked screen or LCD bleeding or loose display after repair. And if you have a tempered glass, then try to remove the tempered glass and see if your iPhone has any physical damage. If not, then you can also update your iPhone or restore your iPhone via recovery mode by connecting your iPhone to a computer. And if that does not fix your issue too, then let your iPhone cool down, as if your iPhone device is overheated right before the white screen, then let it cool and restart. Also, you can try to disconnect any or every external devices, such as the chargers, headphones, or OTG cables or power bands. Restart your iPhone and see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then it might be a hardware issue. So, faulty display connectors or damaged LCD or OLED might cause these issues. It might also be due to screen failure or drop or water damage. So you will need to repair your iPhone by taking it to a authorized service provider or Apple store near you. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone stuck on white screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.